Alright, welcome back to my content, and today I would like to show you how to install MangoHUD in games like Sonic Frontiers as what I've been playing lately. So if I were to play Sonic Frontiers, okay, never mind, there's some sort of update again here. Let me try go here. So if I were to run MangoHUD, what was that tool again? Oh yeah, glxgears. So there is MangoHUD here. So how exactly can we install MangoHUD in such a simple way that you don't have to type so much on the terminal or console? So first, you're going to install using your own command. Since I'm using Arch Linux, I'm gonna use sudo pacman, and sudo pacman mean my -s, and then I'm just gonna do MangoHUD. Type the sudo password, and the total install size will be different if you're installing for the first time, and you can proceed with the installation. Now, how do you customize your MangoHUD? It's pretty simple. Oh yeah, GOverlay here. So all you have to do is to install GOverlay. As for Arch, using sudo pacman. If you're using Ubuntu, it might be something like this, or I'm not really familiar with Ubuntu. It might be something like this, but since I'm in Arch Linux, I'm gonna use this and then install. Now I'm just gonna open GOverlay, and then it's gonna be oh wait, my Genshin. I'm reinstalling Genshin for now because I just restarted my Arch Linux. I mean, I reinstalled the Arch Linux. So here is the GOverlay. Back to the topic. So this is how you customize the MangoHUD. For example, again, back again, if I were to run glxgears running MangoHUD, let's just say this is an example game of what are you going to launch using MangoHUD. It's pretty easy to edit this stuff. All you have to do is, for example, if I were to use to enable frame time, I'm just gonna press the, okay, which button was it again? I don't remember. Oh yeah, there it is. If I were to disable the frame time, all I have to do is to uncheck this and the frame time is gone. And if I check it back, the frame time is coming in again, except that my glxgears is force stopped. It's just a little bit of misconfiguration from the software. Nothing to worry about. If I were to turn on the FPS average, there's gonna be average FPS here. Let me turn it off again, and it will be gone. Now, for example, if I were to turn off the GPU data, not CPU, and then the GPU is gone. Now, if I were to turn on the GPU, but the CPU is off, the CPU is gonna be gone like this. It's super easy to take control of the GOverlay to customize your MangoHUD, just like this. Okay, I guess that's all for a little tutorial for Arch Linux. And there's a lot of applications here. We can talk about these things later on my future contents, and see you on my next content, and peace out.